What's going on, YouTube family? Today we're going to talk about cheese. Vegan cheese, that is. We're trying to get you transition onto the vegan cheese from the dairy cheese. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back. So, first off, guys, what we are on day 6 of Veganuary. I'm so proud of you guys. If you're a new vegan, even if you've been a vegan, I'm even more proud of you. Well, I guess it's not really a competition or contest, but anyway, today we're going to talk about cheese, because most of the people I run into say, oh, I can give up eating meat, but I can't give up cheese. So it's kind of like a double-edged sword. You know me, my activism is more so trying to show people alternatives versus, you know, showing people how their products are made. I mean, you can watch several different videos, even on YouTube. One is called Dairy is Scary, that will show you reasons on why not to eat or consume dairy products. But more so, what I'm here to do is to show you your alternatives so that you're not consuming the dairy products. Because I felt way better after I stopped consuming dairy products, and also morally I felt better as well. So let's get right into it, okay? So first we're gonna start off with the grilled cheeses, because grilled cheese is one of my favorite things to make. So going vegan, it was a little concern about what type of cheese to use. So over my 2 years of being vegan, I was able to determine which cheese is the best. That cheese for me is gonna have to be the chow cheese. I'll put it right here. The chow cheese is amazing. It melts pretty good, has pretty good flavor, and overall is just phenomenal. If the chow is not available, I'll definitely use the Follow Your Heart slices. The Follow Your Heart slices are amazing, also melts pretty good and also has good flavor. The chow seems to be a lot more readily available for me. Every time I go to find it, it's like normally there. So that's for grilled cheeses, because there's a different type of cheese for every situation. So the next situation we're gonna go to is gonna be pizza. So if you're trying to, you know, make your own pizza at home and you want to use a vegan cheese, there's about 3 options if you ask me. So on the top of that list is definitely going to be the Miyoko's. The Miyoko's cheese is amazing. You have to freeze it and use like a cutting board or a knife to shred it up, because it comes in like one big glob. So it's better to like you know, get it down while it's one big glob. You want to, like, you know, cut it with the shredder. It's a lot easier to do it where it's like kind of frozen, you know what I'm saying? So if the Miyoko's isn't available, you want to try the Follow Your Heart or the Daiya cutting board shreds mozzarella. So the thing about the Daiya cheese, a lot of people say the Daiya cheese is nasty, and I agree with you, but only the old Daiya cheese. The new Daiya cheese is way better. I don't have that problem with the new one, so the old one, just, you know, steer clear. The new one, it's good to go. Alright, so I hope this isn't boring. I hope it's like really helpful for you guys. When I make my mac and cheese, you've seen the recipe, but if I'm just like, if I'm not doing my baked mac and cheese, if I'm doing just like a stovetop mac and cheese, I'm gonna go with my my all-time favorite, which is the Daiya cheddar cutting board cheese. Once again, the cutting board style, not the other one. So if that's not available, the Follow Your Heart the Follow Your Heart shreds are also just as good. Pretty good flavor. Both of them melt pretty good. So that's what you would want to go with for your mac and cheese. Now, not last, because you got a few more cheeses to take care of. But also, if you're in the market of eating some really good bagels with the cream cheese, of course it's cheese still, you would want to use the Miyoko's cream cheese. That happens to be my favorite cream cheese. Now that flavor, the Miyoko's, Miss Miyoko, she really has it nailed down to a T. because the cheese is phenomenal as far as that cream cheese goes. Oh my gosh. it has so much good flavor, and it's just amazing, amazing. So in effort to not keep this video long, let me continue and move on. I'm sorry, but that cheese is good. So the other great cheese option would be if you're having like wine and cheese. You know, some people are into like some crackers and cheese, wine and cheese. There's a couple of good options for that. Miyokos, once again. The Miyokos, they have a cheese wheel, a whole bunch of different types of cheeses. That's pretty good. The Miyoko's not available. The Daiya the Daiya has a block cheese. You can slice that up, and that's pretty good on crackers as well. So I think that's about all the cheeses. If you guys can think of any other cheeses that I didn't cover that you would you know, feel that you're missing, let me know in the comments below, and I'll just do a part 2. But I believe cheese is really important. I do have cooking videos coming up. I already have 2 that I recorded. Just need to edit and put them up. But today I really thought it was important because everyone I run into, they always seem to have an issue with cheese. You know, oh, I can't give up cheese. So the first thing is, let me give you the best alternative. Second thing, you can watch some of the videos that are already out here that show, you know, the bad things about the dairy industry that can help you, you know, steer clear of the dairy industry. I feel like there's a whole crap ton of animal rights activists that kind of give you like that knowledge, and it's already out there. So I'm not going to bombard you with that, but what I will do is show you the you know, the right way of doing things. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think you can find some really great cheeses out here. Give them a try. If you're new to the vegan thing, you know, it might be a little hard at first because you might taste the difference, you know, but your taste buds will change. Just give them a little time, because all the stuff that I eat now, I just enjoy so much. I love it. You know, it takes about a month or so to really transition off of all the old flavors and things that you're used to. So I know you can do it. I'm here for you. I'm rooting for you. Continue to eat grass, not ass. I really do hope that you are subscribed to this channel. If you're not, you need to subscribe right now. Tell me what you want to see that can help you in your Veganuary, because I'm here to help you. I'm fine. I've been vegan for 2 years. I want to help you guys. And I want to help the people that have already been watching me before Veganuary. So I love you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Eat grass, not ass. I'll see you tomorrow evening around the same time. I love you. Peace.